Hi guys, so the CLAT date is out. Finally, let's get into this video quickly. Yeah guys, welcome to Loggery. I hope you're subscribed to Loggery's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification on so that you do not miss any of our videos. And I hope you're following us on Instagram. We're there by the name at I am Loggery. We do pretty motivational stuff out there if you want to stay happy, if you want to stay motivated, and if you want to stay connected a little more with Loggery, then do follow us on Instagram. So guys, the notification is out. It is 14 June 2021 notification. The general body of the Consortium of National Law Universities met on the 12th June 2021 and resolved as follows. CLAT 2021 will be held on 23rd July 2021. So you have 35 to 36 days. 35 to 36 days. It will take place between 2 and 4 p.m. for both UG and PG. That is your LLB and LLM. Both exams of CLAT are going to take place on 23rd July 2021. That is Friday. As notified earlier, the CLAT 2021 will be a pen and paper exam conducted at centers with all COVID-19 safety protocols being observed. It is a pen and paper exam, guys. Pen and paper exam, no computers involved. Candidates for the LLM program in CLAT 2021 are hereby informed that the examination will include only 120 MCQs to be answered in 120 minutes. There will be no descriptive section in the CLAT 2021. So all you CLAT LLM candidates out there, only 120 MCQs. That is, you now just have to focus on the important judgments that have been there in 2020 and 2021. And there is no essay writing. This is, I'm talking about CLAT LLM people. Okay, fine. In view of avoiding longer travel to the test centers, applicants will be given a chance to revisit their preference of test centers after last date of submission of filled in application. Important. So they are giving you a second chance. What are they giving? आपको ये second chance दे रहे हैं. आप टेस्ट सेंटर कहाँ जाके आप एग्जाम देना चाहते हो, अगर पहले आपने जो भरी थी आप चेंज करना चाहते हो, तो 15 जून को लास्ट डेट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन है. उसके बाद 15 जून मतलब कल के बाद आपको ये ऑप्शन देंगे कि आप अपना टेस्ट सेंटर चेंज कर सकते हो. राइट. सो इफ यू वांट टू चेंज योर टेस्ट सेंटर, जहाँ पे जाकर आप एग्जाम देना चाहते हो, तो आप वो कर सकते हो. राइट. ये ऑप्शन अवेलेबल करवाएगा कंसोर्टियम. The consortium, as far as possible, will try to adjust first or second preference of the test center. Hence, you are advised to keep visiting the consortium website. You are advised to keep visiting the consortium website because they are going to give you an option to change the preference. Okay. The candidates are advised to get themselves vaccinated. Yeah, that is what I was telling you guys. Remember last video I told you that if you are above 18 and you can get vaccinated, do get yourselves vaccinated. Right. Further details with regard to centers and protocols shall be notified shortly. Requests for assistance or for clarifications may be directed to so and so. So guys, remember, number one, pen and paper exam, 35 to 36 days. You have LLM people, no essay writing for you guys. Number four, you will be given a choice to change your test center preferences. So you can change the test center preferences. So keep on visiting the consortium's website. Okay, that guys, this is a do or die challenge. You have to take this 35 days challenge wherein you have to prepare so well. You know guys, I think I have been seeing students, if you give your everything in the right way, it is not just hard work. It is not just hard work, it is plus smart work. Remember, life today is not just about hard work, it is also about smart work. And I'm going to tell you in this video that what is smart work and hard work. Number one, there are going to be three types of students, and I'm going to discuss about all three of them. Number one is who have completed their syllabus, right? One student is who has completed the syllabus. Very good, you have completed the syllabus. So what should you do? You are done with your syllabus. Number one, you need to focus on revision. You need to focus on revision. How to revise, you might ask. You need to read your theory, and I always tell you that you need to have your short notes in the book or from whichever resource you are covering. So you are going to revise your short notes. Revising your short notes is not enough. You're also going to practice. Maybe you are repeating the questions, you're solving the questions which you have solved already again, or you can also check out our website wherein we are putting more and more questions every day. You can take tests from there, right? Or you can buy CDs from anywhere else also, right? On our website, the tests are for free. right? So what we are on, that we have to study the theory part, we have to practice, and plus because your syllabus is complete, what you're going to do, you are going to solve mock tests. You are going to solve mock tests. Now a lot of you ask that how should we revise. Revision, I've told you that you have to revise only your short notes and practice random questions, not the entire exercise or entire resource. No, random questions. It should be a test. Say from a topic you solve 10 to 15 questions, okay, but you have to solve all types of questions, right? Now for revision you need to create a plan. Today itself create a plan of 35 days, that okay, I'm going to revise this. Try to revise everything. It is very important that you remember every topic that you have done, and obviously you need to cover your important topics. Revise your important topics, your most scoring, the topics from wherein you'll get most number of questions need to be revised first. I hope I'm clear for all of you guys who are done with your syllabus. Now the second type is yet to complete the syllabus. It's fine, you're yet to complete the syllabus because say you started your preparation just 2 to 3 months before, or you might have just started 1 month before, whatever, you have not completed your syllabus. Your syllabus not complete. Now what you guys need to do is, I hope you have seen my video wherein I've talked about that how you can prepare for CLAT in 45 days. In this video, I've given a sequence. I've given a sequence, or you can say a order, that which are the topics that are most important, or which are the topics which are most scoring, right? Why they are most important? Because सबसे ज़्यादा questions, most number of questions are going to come from these topics, and we are going to focus on these topics, right? I hope you have seen that video. If not, I'll leave the link in the description box. You need to focus on, first your aim should be, as I always say, completing the syllabus. Not should be removed and syllabus complete. This should be your aim. Quickly complete your syllabus and fall in this one first category. By completing your syllabus, I mean covering the most important topic. Now say even if you're done with 3 to 4 subjects, right? Once you're done with 3+ subjects, right? You are on your 4th subject or whatever, you are going to start giving your mock test. Before that, don't attempt mock test. If you do not complete your majority of syllabus and you start giving your mock test, it is going to make you feel underconfident. It is going to give you fear. So first complete your syllabus and then start giving mocks quickly. Now by completing syllabus, what I mean, important topics first of each subject, plus at least you should have covered those important topics from 3 to 4 subjects. It should not be the case that you've just done one subject or 2 subjects and you're taking mock test. No, that should not be the case. Now the third category is who are going to start from zero, who say okay fine, I take the 35 days challenge and I'm going to start from zero. If you are that kind of person, then also you need to follow the sequence from 45 days wala video, and you need to start preparing, because there is no harm in trying. You're not having your boards, you have nothing to do right now. Why not attempt CLAT? You can be of that category and you should go for it. Right, now the next thing is, I need 8 to 9 hours minimum. If it can go to 10 hours, very good. Nothing, you're just doing, what you're going to do is you're just going to study, you're going to take sound sleep. You're not going to sleep more than 7 hours from now. No sleeping for more than 7 hours, my people. No, you're going to just study, sleep and eat. And you're going to eat light, no fried, nothing which is going to make you feel sleepy, nothing, no junk food. Please eat light. That is my request. 10 hours. And also I need one final plan from you guys. One final plan. This should be your last plan, last schedule, what we call. And this schedule, you are going to see that how you, if you are in the revision mode, you're going to plan your revision. If you are yet to complete your syllabus, you're going to have a look that okay, what I need to do. I have 35 days now, I need to adjust. Maybe you have to study one day for 10 to 15 hours to complete something. You are going to do that, because this is do or die situation. You have to complete the syllabus. So one last plan, my people. Please do send me the photographs on Instagram and make sure I reply quickly, right? So this is what you're not going to do. And please guys, do not panic. No panicking, no worrying. Look, I know, when I saw the date, I got chills, right? I was like, it's there, it's happening. Should not panic. What will happen if you panic? मतलब worry करने से क्या हो जाएगा? Admission मिल जाएगी तो सब worry करते हैं. अब हम एक live session करते हैं, worrying session. सबको एडमिशन मिल जाएगा? No, it is your confidence which is going to take you ahead. You know what? I've seen students who might have studied a little less, but they're confident. You need not worry, but you have to give. You know what? Your desire is to get an NLU, and to get in an NLU, right? Your action and your desire should be in sync, and your action should be studying the right way. Do not focus on anyone saying anything. Nahi ho sakta, you should take a drop. And yes, I want to talk about this thing. What is this? Everyone is sending me messages. Can I take a drop? You know, taking drop is not that easy. If you can study for these 35 days, you can clear CLAT even if you work hard and smart and clear, study well for 35 days. Taking a drop seems to be good, but actually it is very hard. It is very hard. You need to be really strong hearted. You need to be emotionally strong, mentally strong to take a drop. I can show you the messages that students who have taken drop. They send me those messages. So do not think that, oh, you know what, I'm going to chill right now, I'm going to take a drop. It is not that easy, I'm telling you. I've seen those messages from students who took drop, and majority of them, yes, I'll say that, majority of them are not able to continue with their studies because they give up in the middle of the war. So it is better to study for these 35 days and clear the exam rather than taking a drop. I'm going to tell you this clear cut. Study for these 35 days, study the right way, from the right books, from the right resources. Give your time. Do not worry. Do not think, oh, there's a lot of competition. How would I do that? Then what? You do not believe in yourself? Firstly, start believing in yourself. Firstly, start believing in yourself. And number two, just do focus study. I've done your analysis of the syllabus. Why don't you trust that syllabus? I'm showing you the question paper, see, these are the topics that are there. Analyze the previous year question paper when you are worried. Okay, fine, this is the topic that is there. I can study it. I should study it. Guys, humble request. 35 days, study well. You can do it. You can do it. I'm telling you, I've seen it last year. I have seen students who gave up in these 35 days. I have seen students who worked hard and smart in these last 30 to 35 days, and they cracked the CLAT exam and they are in an NLU right now. I saw them. I am not lying. So take this challenge of 35 days and crack it, my people. So yeah, that's it from my side. If you have any queries, you can leave a comment down below. You can chat with me on Instagram, people. You can join our forums. I'll chat with you there also. So that's it from my side today. Loggery signing off. You guys keep on studying, because this is the do and die 35 days challenge that you have taken because you are a Loggerian and you are going to be confident. You are going to study smartly, my people. All the best. Bye.